Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In this video, we will discuss 2-mark numericals asked in question bank. So these are the basic formulas. Before starting 2-mark and 3-mark questions, we have to revise this properly. So look at these problems. Okay, this is standard table for different trigonometric values. Okay, so let's start with first example. First example is, if cos theta is equal to 24 upon 25, then what is the value of sin theta? Then we can solve this problem by two methods. Okay, here is the first method. We know standard identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Okay, therefore sin square theta will become equals to 1 minus cos square theta. Then put value of cos theta here. Then we get, after simplification, sin square theta is equal to 49 upon 625 here, and then finally take square root. Then we get sin theta is equal to 7 upon 25. Okay, so here we have used trigonometric relation between sin and cos. Okay, same problem can be solved by another method. So here first assume one triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, here, and take any one angle as a theta. So here I have taken angle C as a theta, and cos theta is given to us. So what is definition of cos theta? It is ratio of adjacent side to hypotenuse. So for angle C, we have adjacent side BC and hypotenuse is AC. So cos theta is equal to BC upon AC here. But what is the given? Cos theta is equal to 24 upon 25. So equate both these, then we get BC is equal to 24K and AC is equal to 25K. K is here multiplier. Okay, then use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. Then we will get here AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So put here values. Then here, after adjusting terms, we get AB square is equal to 49K square. Then take square root. AB is equal to 7K, and then finally we want sin theta. So by definition, sin theta is opposite side upon hypotenuse. So for angle C, opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is AC. So AB upon AC, here we have calculated value of AB. So put values, and we get sin theta is equal to 7 upon 25. By any method, by formula method or this right angle triangle method, you get same answer. So next is, prove that sin square theta upon cos theta plus cos theta is equal to sec theta. So for proving that, I will take here LHS. Then after simplifying, or here we get sin square theta plus cos square theta upon cos theta, but value of sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. This is standard relation. So put here values, 1 upon cos theta, but 1 upon cos theta is sec theta, and this is our RHS. This is proof. Next, prove that 1 upon cosec theta minus cot theta is equal to cosec theta plus cot theta. Once again, I have taken here LHS. So first write down LHS, and here this is an important step: multiply and divide LHS by cosec theta plus cot theta upon cosec theta plus cot theta. So net effect is, there is no any net effect on LHS because we are dividing here and multiplying here by same term. Then by multiplying, we get in numerator cosec theta plus cot theta, and at denominator, if you assume cosec theta as A, cot theta is as B, then here A minus B and here A plus B, and we know expansion A minus B into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So here denominator becomes cosec square theta minus cot square theta, but we have standard relation 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Therefore adjusting terms we get cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Using this relation here, okay, denominator becomes 1. So this is simply becomes cosec theta plus cot theta, and this is nothing but our RHS. So this is again proved. Okay, the next is if cos of 45 degree plus x is equal to sin 30 degree, then what is value of x? So here cos 45 degree plus x is equal to sin 30 degree, but we know from standard table sin 30 degree is half. So cos 45 degree plus x is equal to 1/2. Then but we know that cos of 60 degree is 1/2. So for cos of 45 degree plus x we can replace it by 60 degree is equal to 45 degree plus x. Okay, so after adjusting we get x is equal to 15 degree. Okay, next if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to how much? So this is asked. So here take given data, tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 given here, then square on both sides. So this is tan theta plus cot theta bracket square is equal to 2 square. So use here formula a plus b bracket square. This is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here it will becomes tan square theta plus 2 tan theta into cot theta plus cot square theta is equal to 4. Okay, so here tan square theta as it is 2 into tan theta into cot theta. As tan and cot are reciprocals of each other, their product is 1. So here it is 2 into 1, and we have written cot square theta earlier here. So term is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 is equal to 4. Then we want here value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. So keep this term, these two terms on left side and put 2 on right side. So 4 minus 2 becomes 2. Therefore tan square theta plus cot square theta is equal to 2. Okay, next prove that sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to sec square theta into cosec square theta. So here once again I have taken LHS and sec square theta plus cosec square theta. Now we know that sec is 1 upon cos, so sec square theta is 1 upon cos square theta here, and cosec theta is 1 upon sin theta. Therefore cosec square theta becomes 1 upon sin square theta. Then here base or denominators are different, so make denominators equal by this step. So it becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta upon sin square theta into cos square theta. Now once again we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So replacing here it becomes 1 upon sin square theta into cos square theta. Now separate these denominators. It will simply 1 upon sin square theta into 1 upon cos square theta. Once again 1 upon sin is cosec theta, so 1 upon sin square theta will become cosec square theta, and into 1 upon cos theta is sec theta, so 1 upon cos square theta will become sec square theta, and this is nothing but our RHS. Okay, then next prove that cot square theta into sec square theta is equal to cot square theta plus 1. Okay, once again we have taken LHS cot square theta into sec square theta, but we know that sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So put here values, it will become cot square theta into 1 plus tan square theta. Then solve this bracket, we get cot square theta plus cot square theta into tan square theta. Okay, so this is cot square theta plus this is cot into tan bracket square, because both are here square terms, so we can take common square. And cot into tan are both reciprocal functions of each other, so cot into tan becomes 1 and 1 square is 1, so this is become cot square theta plus 1, and this is our RHS. Okay, next is, if 3 sin theta is equal to 4 cos theta, then what is value of sec theta? Okay, so here we have given 3 sin theta is equal to 4 cos theta. After adjusting, we get here sin upon cos theta is equal to 4 upon 3, but sin upon cos is tan theta, so tan theta becomes 4 upon 3, and we have relation 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Put value of tan theta here. Okay, then it becomes sec square theta is equal to 25 upon 9. In taking square root, we get sec theta is equal to 5 upon 3. Okay, next this is sin theta, sin 3a is equal to cos 6a, and what is value of angle A? Okay, so what is given is sin 3a is equal to cos 6a, but we have one formula, cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta, so use formula here. So for converting cos into sin, we can convert cos 6a as sin 90 minus 6a. So sin 3a is equal to sin 90 minus 6a. Then comparing uh, on both sides, we got 3a is equal to 90 minus 6a. Therefore 3a plus 6a is equal to 90. So a becomes 10 finally. Next, prove that sec square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to tan square theta plus sin square theta. So here take once again LHS. We have sec square theta minus cos square theta, but sec square theta is 1 plus tan square theta here, and for cos square theta we have standard relation cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So after adjusting here, we get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So put here values. Due to negative sign here, finally signs will be change here, so it becomes 1 plus tan square theta plus 1 becomes minus 1, minus sin square theta becomes plus sin square theta. 1 and minus 1 get cancelled, and finally we got tan square theta plus sin square theta, which is our RHS. The next is, prove that tan A upon cot A is equal to sec square A upon cosec square A. So here first we take LHS. LHS is tan A upon cot A. So tan A, cot A can be written as 1 upon tan A, and it 1 upon tan A becomes multiply to tan A, so it becomes tan A into tan A, so it is becomes tan square A. So then again take RHS. RHS is sec square A upon cos square A, cosec square A. So sec is 1 upon cos, so sec square A will become 1 upon cos square A. Cosec is 1 upon sin, so cosec square A becomes 1 upon sin square A. 1 upon sin square A comes to numerator by multiplying as sin square A, so sin square A upon cos square A. So sin upon cos is tan, so sin square A upon cos square A is tan square A. So if we look at equation 1 and equation 2, both in equation 1 and 2 RHS are same, so from 1 and 2 we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Next is, prove that sin theta plus tan theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta into 1 plus sec theta. So for that purpose, once again we will take LHS. LHS is sin theta plus tan theta upon cos theta. So first separate out two terms, it becomes sin upon cos plus tan upon cos. So sin upon cos is tan, tan we keep as it is, and cos theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta here. So tan theta plus tan theta, 1 upon cos theta is sec theta, so it becomes tan theta into sec theta. Then take tan theta common, it becomes 1 plus sec theta in bracket. So this is our RHS. Next is prove that cos square theta upon sin theta plus sin theta is equal to cosec theta. So take once again LHS, and adjusting we get here cos square theta plus sin square theta upon sin theta. Once again sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, so numerator becomes 1, and finally it converts to cosec theta. Okay, so this is once again simple one. Next is cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta is equal to 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So here take LHS. LHS is 1 plus cos theta upon 1, sorry, LHS is cos theta upon 1 plus sin theta. And next is an important step. Here we are multiplying by 1 minus sin theta and divide by 1 minus sin theta, so there is no any net effect on this LHS. So here in numerator it becomes cos theta into 1 minus sin theta, but in denominator this is, if you take 1 as a sin theta as a b, then this is 1 plus b in second bracket 1 minus, sorry, a plus b into a minus b, so it is simply a square minus b square, so it is 1 square minus sin square. Okay, but 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta as explained here. So it becomes cos theta into bracket 1 minus sin theta upon cos square theta. 1 cos theta get cancelled with 1 square, so it becomes 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta, and this is our RHS. Okay, so in this way we have discussed 2-mark numericals on trigonometric functions asked in our question bank. If you have any doubt in these numericals, you can contact to us on our WhatsApp number provided here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe our channel. In next video we will see 3 marks and 4 mark questions from trigonometric chapter. Thank you for watching this video.